Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today I want to show you an amazing AI platform named as Genspark where you can create AI slides, sheets, documents. Also if you want to make images or videos, like you can do everything over here. So this is like a platform to use all the AI tools you want to use. As you can see, you can create music too, you can do AI video generation, you can make meeting notes through AI, and majorly there are a lot of AI agents on this website. So this is the main interface where you can write your prompt and it will use the tools needed to create and help you out. So for example, I'll write the prompt like analyze the top 5 electric vehicle brands and compare their 2026 models. Now, this super agent will use all the tools needed to deliver the result for our prompt. Let's click on enter and see what it does. So it listed out all the top 5 companies and their latest cars with their photos. And I also saw that it gave us the videos for those brands too, which is pretty amazing. The AI was able to figure out and search the web for its videos and its info, which is really good. And now here is the top 5 EV brands and what they are selling in 2026. Wow, it's really nice. Tesla Model 3 and these all the cars by these brands. Then it created an AI sheet here to make us see its different parameters and how it is, and a little bit of news about these brands so that you can make an informed decision if you want to do it or not. This was a thorough research done by this AI agent, which I liked a lot. This is really good. I didn't expect it to give me this detailed of an answer, so wow, it's amazing. Now let's go back to the main menu. And I forgot to tell you about its pricing features, so let's go through the pricing too. You can get a free trial, for example, where it gives you 100 to 200 credits, so you can just work it out first. If you want to upgrade to a plan, you can just go to a plus or a pro plan based on your preferences if you want to. But right now I'm also using a free trial basis where where you can use this website for a bit using its credits. You get 200 credits. So yeah. So now let's tell him to create a presentation using AI slides. So let's give a quick prompt of 5 slides about climate change solutions based on 3 scientific studies. Let's see how it does. Okay, so it created the presentation. Now let's see how it worked. So the super agent used multiple tools. The first tool was parallel search, then image search, and then searched out a lot of images for the presentation. Think so. And then once again did a parallel read, then reading a lot of research papers. As I said, I needed a backup of 3 studies based on climate change. Once again used a lot of tools. Then there was an agent at work to create this 5 slide presentation about climate change based on scientific studies. So it started deep thinking and creating the presentation, as you can see over here. And then let's see how the presentation looks. Wow, this already looks amazing. This is the first slide. Climate change solution, what the science says. 3 studies, 3 levers, demand, nature, and technology portfolios. Demand side solutions. Wow, the image is also high quality and the presentation looks really good. It's amazing. It's amazing to see how AI has grown in the past few years. You can literally make a presentation based on what you want to do, and it will create it for you with amazing images and also science backing it up with research papers. So it's really amazing. You can see over here the references of the research papers too. It's really amazing. So yeah, this is how this AI platform works. It's really simple. You just have to raise your question, your prompt in this interface given over here, and the super agent will work for you. If you want to create a document, you can specifically write create a document. and it will use AI docs agent to create a document for you. If you want to create an Excel sheet, it will use the AI sheets to create it for you. So it's really simple to use this platform. Just write your question over here and the super agent will do the work for you. Now, if you click on, if you hover over new, you can see a lot of agents over here. So these are all the agents given on this platform. You can do photo generation, AI designing, AI pods, AI audio, video, and there are a lot of things. So deep research, fact check, and a lot of things you can do over here. And this is also one more thing you can include in your day-to-day life if you want to. There is something called as AI workflows. So how workflows work is that you can click on any one which you want. If you want a daily spam email cleanup, it will check your email address, your Outlook address, and then just clean up the email with. So if there are any spam emails, it will just delete them for you. You can download this and use this in your day-to-day life if you want to, or else you can just give it as it is. It is like an AI agent working for you automatically on your browser itself. So yeah, this is everything from my side. I just wanted to give you a concept overview of this platform. And I just want to say it is doing its job really good. It knows what needs to be done and it does it perfectly with accuracy. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot.